Next, let us consider this infinite sequence. So y is equal to root of tan x plus root of tan x plus root of tan x plus 1. So what is the individual unit which is going on repeating? This root of tan x is the individual unit which is going on repeating. So if you take one root tan x outside, so let us take this expression. So can you read this expression? This expression is root of tan x plus root of tan x plus root of tan x so on up to infinity. This expression also looks exactly same as y, because y is also root of tan x plus root of tan x plus root of tan x up to infinity. So what is root of tan x plus root of tan x plus root of tan x up to infinity? That is also equal to y. So if you take one term out of infinite terms, the series remains unaffected. So y is equal to root of tan x plus y. So now the infinite sequence has been simplified. Now this has become a differentiation question. Just need to differentiate this. So how do we do this? Instead of applying log on both sides, you can square it on both sides. That will be easy. So y square is equal to tan x plus y. Now if you differentiate this, 2y dy by dx is equal to secant square x plus dy by dx. So if you send the dy by dx term here, dy by dx times 2y minus 1 is equal to secant square x. This implies dy by dx is equal to secant square x by 2y minus 1. So this will be the function dy by dx, which is what you're asked to choose.